From my people, from Alexis Hidalgo Tech, we are going to talk about unboxing this small package that I bought for my trip to the Dominican Republic, where I am going to store all my cables, adapters, accessories, kind of things. I am going to clearly put here in this little package. This little package cost me $24. I am not wrong. I am going to leave it here in the description. Remember that prices fluctuate on Amazon. And this is a good, very simple bullet, TOMTOC. The bullet says, well, it says a lot of things really, but this is the medium version of El Bulto, and let's hope that it fulfills what I need, because I have a bullet that my brother gave me in 1996, and I say everything. I was using it. I was still using it, and well, it was already too old and too blown up. And I decided to switch to a little bundle specifically for cable accessory, that kind of thing. So this bundle, if I'm not mistaken, TOMTOC 24 on Amazon, has the front. It has two zippers. I'm going to show here briefly. There is one and here on the other side. There's the other space. So what we're going to do is try to fit in here everything that's supposed to go in this package for my trip to the Dominican Republic. Let's go there. Well, here we have the package. Obviously, I'm going to keep it. I'm not going to return it, so I'm taking this from the route. The interesting thing, the stamp, is this silly little lump that Sequel collection. Sustainable Vision says 8 bottles recyclable equal to 1 package. 30 of this is equal to a backpack. That is, this is very important lately here in Europe. It says light, the 12M of the M version of this package. It says it takes 1.8 L. If you see here, they have a charger, mouse, adapters, chargers again. Cable, lots of cable. Well, then what am I supposed to put in here? Let's see. Everything I have to put here, I'm going to show you now. Shortly, I have to put here my second phone, which is an Android. Second phone, I have to put here my hearing aids, one for Apple, another for Android. I have to put my quick charge charger here. I have to put some airplane headphones here with a 3.5mm connector. Well, these are Type-C headphones there. I failed. Well, I have to look for a normal hearing aid. I'm going to look for it now, but I still have to put in a hearing aid more or less of this type. My car charger to always have charged while in the Dominican Republic in the vehicle. The 3.5 headphones I am going to use are these. They are original Apple headphones that I had stored around. I have to put an adapter in for a phone holder. I'm going to try to get the little one between my feet. I don't think it will fit, but hey, we'll see. And the cable's a cable. Buah que bueno. Type A to Type-C cable. Remember that on the plane there is no Type-C to Type-C, so this Type A to Type-C short and a Type-C to Type-C cable long. It is a 3MA cable that I have. I have been using it for years and it has always served me. There it is. That's all I have to try to put here in this bundle. Let's try to do it. Well, the first thing is the cable. The longer this one is, I wouldn't know how to differentiate between one place and another. Well, inside the accessory I carry a reader for SD memory, which I have it around here, micro CD memory. That type of reader to download the information from my camera to my sister's computer. So between our bundle, here we have a zipper bundle for adapters and little things, and this is to put a pen or something that grabs. There I have our strap, and well then, cables, let's start. a cable or travel adapter that cannot be left for different types of regions. So let's start with the adapter. I'm going to put it here. Once I make it fat, I'm going to put the other adapter here as well. Is it really a journey to know what to put and where to put this? Let's put it here. Although I can carry that in my hand, I'm just doing the simulation to see how much they fit and how they fit. I'm going to put this over here. There we already have another well-arranged thing, the normal cable from type A to type C we have here. Well, roll it up like they suggest in the picture. Let's put it over here. Well, I think this one fits more here because it's smaller. I'm going to put it here on this side of the package here, the big cable. I'm going to put it here. It's going to take out this one. In the meantime, make sure I have enough space to put everything right here. I'm only missing the type C to type C cable, the short, well, not that short. It's already one atom, but good. That I can put this at the same time. I can also put an adapter here. I can keep it here in the zipper so that it doesn't come out or roll around inside. I would already need it. The hearing aids I'm going to put here. Well, I have 3 hearing aids. Some people will say it will be too much, but hey. And the cable, the adapter, the adapter of this traveler would help me put it here. No problem whatsoever. My other charger would help me put it around here. This would be too much, and so would this, but I want to leave space for my phone. Now I wouldn't recommend putting a phone in here because there is no protection for this kind of device. Wherever I put it, it could hurt him that this is going to have to carry in a backpack or something different. Maybe here it would be too much, although it fits. No. I mean, don't get me wrong, it fits. I also understand that it would be too much, and I wouldn't like the bulge to look too forced. So the little one between my feet fits me too. But I think that I would not recommend entering these 3 things. I understand that it is already too much. So we have here in 2 types of cable, a cable here, type C cable, type C cable of 3M, a type A type C cable, the regional adapter for all regions, my normal charger, a few adapters here for the micro SD. And on this side we have our headphones, we have the charger for the vehicle, and we have the headphones also for the 3.5mm airplane. So this little bundle really meets what I need for my trip. I have everything I need there. I hope the video was useful to you. If you liked, like, share or subscribe. Until next time.